And this is the amazing, amazing couplet. Syare tahrat mein jaghdi vasande miya. This is the heaviest ever line I have read in Bhittai. Syare tahrat mein jaghdi vasande miya. Now imagine sometimes Suhni is speaking, sometimes Bhittai himself is speaking. How he portrays the scene. On the one hand, it's ruthless winter. In just one line, it's a ruthless winter. It's so cold, and then it's night, and she's in the water swimming, and the rain is pouring. Syare tahrat mein jaghdi vasande meah. Halo tapasu suni jakar jane neah. Jenke rato dih mehari man mein. So on the one hand, it's ruthless winters, and Suhni enters the deep waters in the midst of the cold night. On the other hand, rain is pouring out. Latif says, let's go and meet that Suhni. She knows the etiquettes of love. She doesn't care. She doesn't care about the night. She doesn't care about the winters. She doesn't care about the broken jar. And she doesn't care about the pouring rain. Halo tapasu Suhni jakar jane ni jenke rato di mehari man mein. So let's go and meet Suhni because she has etiquettes of love, who is day and night constantly absorbed into the memory of her beloved Mehaar.